Hey everybody, it's Miss A, and I am here with a real quick video regarding your extra credit. So I mirrored this extra credit to match kind of what's going on in the test. So the first question that you're going to get on the test is going to be a benchmark question. This particular one, and I know I made a few typographical errors because I was rushing to do this, it says which measurement below is about 4 inches. ES, should be ES there. You have to look at these different items and you have to determine which one of them is the closest about. So an inch is about, we usually say it's like the distance between the end of your finger and the first knuckle. So about 4 of those. So this can help me do this. So that's about this long from here to here. So I can kind of figure that out for myself to help me. And I take this distance and I think about that and I look at each one of these answer options and I think, does that item come closest to this, because it is about. So it's the width of a picture. So this is your picture, this is the length, this is the width. The length of a new pencil. A new pencil. So this is, let's say this is a new pencil. So is that about 4 inches? A broom, a piece of paper. This is a piece of paper. So you have to determine which one of these are closest to about 4 inches. All right, next problem. Mrs. Angelo is 5'4". How tall is she in inches? So we have to do our conversions and we have to determine what am I converting. So I am going feet to inches. All right, so that's the help that you're going to get for there. And what I would do is I would determine how many inches in 5 feet, and then you have to add that 4. You can't forget about it, and you bubble box. Number 3, Douglas purchased fruit by the foot to give his daughter for lunch. How many inches of fruit by the foot is there if there are 10 packages that contain 1 foot each? All right, so what is my conversion? So I have fruit by the foot and how many inches? So I'm going feet to inches. All right, so that's the help we get there with this one. And that should be if. Next one. I poured juice for my family. Brianna asked me for her flamingo cup, which holds 2 cups of liquid. Kaylee wanted her Walker Stalker cup, which holds 30 fluid ounces. Mikey wanted a pint to drink. How much juice would I need in ounces to make sure everyone received an amount they wanted? So my end results has to be in ounces. All right, and what we have to do is we have to think of each person. So Brianna, hers is in cups. So we need to go, let me see, it should be cups to ounces. Cups to ounces, we have that there. So Brianna, you're going to take cups to ounces. And OZs for ounces. And then Kaylee, hers is already in ounces, so I don't need to do anything. And then Mikey, his is in pints, so I have to go pints to cups. And then I have to go cups to ounces. All right, so there's 2 conversions with Mike, and then once we get them, we're going to add them all up. All right. The last 2 problems with a little help for this. Show your work. It says kilograms to grams, so we would use our conversion sheet to find out what our ratio is, and then multiply. And this one says complete the chart. Pints to cups, you need to look at your conversion sheet to figure out how much, and you would just multiply each one of these numbers. I gave you the answer. Each one of these numbers by 2, because there's 2 cups in each pint. Now when you come to here, this is like saying 2 times 2, and then 0.5 times 2, or half of 2, and then you add those together, your answers together. Hope this video helps.